Too cool instrumental. Lil C,
Young K.
get a hold of my rhymes, you'll see that I'm the man. Stay looking fly like an exclusive brand. Take steps together, why don't you just take my hand and get good melody like a hippie's band. And this is a job, I get paid to spit raps. What you made last year is less than my income tax. Take pics of me and I'll take it with a Kodak. Give it all my effort, I just wanted you to know that. And I'll go hard until the fat lady squeals. My lyrics are stuffing, so I know how gravy feels. Call me C. Johnson, the way I'm so fast on the beat and he's on the field. Do you want bread and cheese? You're about to get grilled. After your week, rise up, I'll show you how greatness feels. And do you see the passion in my eye? Get so good on your knees, pray to the sky. And I'm so clever, I don't even have to try. My name is Little C, niggas know that I'm the guy. Little C, it's Young K. And like I'm rocking khakis, beanie cut off. No, I work hard, play hard, no lazy like a sloth. My piss yellow, chicken noodle soup broth. What's the price of that? I don't care what it costs. My soul burns like it's beside a lighter. Call me UFC Kyle, cause I'm a fighter. I know I'm 14, but I've been here for a while. Last name Brown, first name Kyle. Take a notebook, you about to get schooled. I'ma take your girl out like dinner with us food. On the floor, my shotgun shells. Now I'm rapping, no cussing, cause you know I won't be discussing hell. Preaching my raps like I am a minister. No heavenly shit, my raps are sinister. Too cool. Instrumental, Young K. Peace.